Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to share some of my favorite products and empty products that I have purchased so many times, and in future also I'm going to purchase this product. So I thought to share a mini review about all these products so that before buying you can check my review and you can decide whether you are going to buy this product or not. So without any further talk, let's start with the video. So today I'm going to talk about hair care first. So first I'm going to talk about this hair oil, Indulekha Bringa hair oil. This is actually a very good hair oil. I have purchased 4 times. This is my 4th bottle, and in future also I'm going to purchase this because this is such a good hair oil. It reduces hair fall. It also control my dandruff. So whenever there is a season change, dandruff comes and it control that, and it doesn't have any smell, which is also a very important thing because I have used so many other Ayurveda hair oils and they have such a tangy smell that I have used 1-2 times and then I have stopped using those hair oils because I cannot take that smell. But it doesn't have any smell like that. That's why it is a very good hair oil. It's worth every penny, and you can invest in this one if you're looking for a good hair oil. Highly recommended from my side. And now I'm going to talk about a shampoo and conditioner. If you have seen my Nykaa sale haul video, there I have already purchased this shampoo and conditioner. I'm using this shampoo and conditioner for last 1 year. It's such a good shampoo. It retain moisture in your scalp, so that also reduce dandruff, and it makes your hair very soft, smooth and supple. So that is also a very important thing because I use hair color, and I always use a hair dryer or a heat tool, so that makes my hair very dry. So it helps to retain that moisture in my hair. So that is none other than Dove shampoo and conditioner, and it really worked so well with my hairs, and my husband also used this and it also worked on his scalp also very well. Highly recommended from my end if you're looking for a good shampoo and conditioner that will retain moisture in your scalp and it will not dry out your hair, and at the same time it will not weigh down your hair, because today also I have used this shampoo and conditioner but it didn't weigh down my hair. So really love this one. If you are looking for a good shampoo, you can check this one. And now I'm going to talk about a face wash. So I have recently ended 2 bottles and I kept it to give a review on that because I want to share my review with you all about these face washes. So these are none other than Lakme Blush and Glow Strawberry face wash and Lakme Blush and Glow Kiwi face wash. So these are the 2 face washes. They are really very good. It has a very cooling effect that gives an instant refreshing feeling, and it doesn't dry out your skin also, and the smell is also very good. So it's a very refreshing smelling it has. So definitely you can check this one. And now I'm going to talk about another face wash. This is also a very good face wash, and I recently used this face wash and I'm in love with this face wash. So and definitely I'm going to again buy this face wash. So this is actually recommended by one of my sister. So recently I'm going through a very bad skin. I have a very acne scars and some dry flakes also coming from my skin. So that time I'm looking for a good face wash that will not dry out my skin and it also clean my skin. So I'm looking for that type of face wash, and then she recommended me this one to try it out, and it really helped me such a lot because after using this face wash my skin didn't get dry, and it also reduced my acne scars. So highly recommended this one. This is none other than Sebamed face wash. So this is actually maintain the pH balance. So once you will use this face wash, it will retain moisture in your skin. It will not take out the whole moisture and your skin will not get dry fully. At the same time it will clean your skin also, and those who have acne and acne prone skin, they can definitely give it a try because it really works very well on acne and acne prone skin. So it's little bit in costlier side, in a higher side, but it worth every penny. Definitely give it a try, and then also mention the comment sections that how it is working on your skin. And today I'm going to talk about another face wash. So this is this Himalayan Neem face wash, and who don't know about this face wash and who haven't used this face wash, I think every girl have already used this face wash, and those who are especially 90s born, they have used this face wash many times. I'm also one of them who have used this face wash many times. And today also I keep this face wash in my vanity. Whenever I end up with my face wash that I'm already using, then I switch it to this one and I use this face wash in the middle of the month. And whenever I go for any vacations, I don't know how the weather there will be, how the conditions there will be. So at that time I don't buy any new face wash because I don't know how it will affect on my skin. So at that time I use this type of face wash that I already know that it will work very well on my skin. So I can't recommend enough because I'm in love with this face wash today also, and I highly recommended this one. So and I know that you all also love this face wash a lot, so we have a lot of emotions with this one. So this is also one of my favorite face wash that I have shown you today. And now I'm going to talk about some clay masks. So in this COVID situation, we can't go often to salon to take care of our skin. We can't go for facials, so whatever we need to do in home only. So in this last few years, like for last 1-2 years, I have recently buy some clay mask and have tried it. Among all those, there are a few clay masks that I really love and I have purchased again and again. So among them, this is a Dot and Key green clay mask. So recently they have changed the bottle. Previously the cap is different, but the ingredient is very same. And it has a green tea in it, so which is very good for skin. It will reduce your acne and acne scars, and it actually does because I have used it. The smell of this clay mask is really very good. It has a very soothing smell. It's very refreshing and it's give your mood upliftment. So if you have a very tired day and if you're looking for a good something for your skin that will very refreshing and very soothing, then definitely you can have this one because it has a very refreshing and relaxing smell. So you just use this clay mask and you close your eyes and play a very soft music. You will feel like that you are in a spa, and it will instantly relax your mood, especially those who have acne prone skin and those who go out a lot. Then definitely this is a one clay mask that you can definitely use. Another clay mask I have, that is a Mamaearth Upton face mask. So this is also a very good face mask. I have already used this and it is an empty bottle. Just let me show you. So this is how the bottle looks like. This is how the color of the mask looks like. Face, it's a little bit yellowish in color. So this is also a very good face mask. It has a very good ingredient in it. It has a apricot oil. It has apricot oil, saffron and turmeric in it, which is a very good for skin. It gives that instant brightness in your skin, and it is also having a cooling effect. So you can try this one also if you're looking for a good face mask. And now I'm going to talk about a chemical exfoliation. So I recently started chemical exfoliations and it really works so well in my skin. It actually even my skin tone, it makes my skin more smooth and it gives more glow in my skin. So if you haven't started chemical exfoliations and if you're at age of 30s, then definitely you can start chemical exfoliations. So I will not recommend the younger skin because your skin is more sensitive, so it may not take that chemical exfoliations. But for mature skin, they can try the chemical exfoliations, and chemical exfoliations really work well in my skin also. So I actually use this chemical exfoliation. This is from Dot and Key. It has a 10% AHA and 2% BHA, and all the ingredients are very natural. It has a grapeseed oil, and it has a glycolic acid and salicylic acid, which will remove your dead cells and make your skin more even and more smooth, and it will give you glowing skin. It actually does. So I will show you how the bottle looks like. This is look like a book, and this is how the bottle looks like. So I have already finished. It is a very little amount it has, and once I will get finished with this product, I'm going to buy this bottle because it actually works very well in my skin and it makes my skin very smooth and even. and highly recommended this one from my end. If you're looking for a good exfoliation, then definitely you can check this one. So another thing I want to say for chemical exfoliations, it is best that if you use it in the night time, and don't keep it for a longer time. Maximum you can keep it for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it off and then use any moisturizer, then definitely it will work well. But do not keep it overnight because it's a chemical exfoliation after all. So it's after keeping for a few minutes, then definitely wash this out and you will see the result gradually. I'm going to talk about Johnson baby lotion. So if you are seeing my videos, I generally make makeup videos and skincare videos and all lifestyle videos. So if you have seen my makeup videos, in all my makeup videos before starting my makeup, I generally use this Johnson baby lotion. So you will tell me that you are not a baby anymore and why still you use this lotion. So this is actually a very good lotion. It get easily absorbing the skin and it makes your skin very smooth, soft and supple. So generally I don't want to use any heavy moisturizer before my makeup because I have a combination skin and many area have an oily part also. So any heavy moisturizer is not good for my skin and my makeup will also not sit on that. So that's why I use this Johnson baby lotions. It is such a very good moisturizer. It makes your skin very hydrated, very soft. At the same time it will absorb in your skin also very instantly. So that's why I highly recommend this one. If you have a combination skin or oily skin before makeup, definitely you can use this type of moisturizer that can easily absorb in the skin and give that hydrations in your skin, and your makeup will blend like a dream. So highly recommended from this my end. Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. This is a little bit, it's a high coverage foundation. So Maybelline Fit Me one, that is a normal foundation, that is not a high coverage foundation. You if you have any scars or deep scars, that will still reflect in that foundation. But this is a little bit high coverage foundation. This is very good for any occasion purpose. So if you're looking for a good foundations, Maybelline's really, they have a very good foundations and they have so many shades that you will get your own shade. So this is how I'm ending my video today. Hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you like this video, then give a big thumbs up and also share with your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe my channel before going out. Till then, love you all, take care, bye bye, and see you in my next video.